Welcome back, crypto crew. Buckle up because we're diving headfirst in the wildest ride in the market right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum. We still got a lot of stuff working in the background for us. Short-term trading, of course, quite different. Long-term trading, only one direction, up, up, up. So please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Don't forget to come on over to our X account and follow us on X, where we talk about all things crypto all day, every day. And we got all the juicy details for you. So if you're ready to ride this roller coaster with me, smash the like button, subscribe, and get hyped, because this is not your average crypto update. Let's talk about Bitcoin. The king of crypto just crawled its way back from a gut-punching low of around 76,600 yesterday as of March 10th to right now trading right around 81,400. That's a 3% bounce, crew. And X is buzzing with talk of a double bottom at 80,000. Well, we also have, which we posted yesterday, Bitcoin accumulations was at record levels. The whales were buying, and they're still looking to buy. So they're lurking in the background, and we're going to be talking about some short-term trading levels for the short-term trader. For the long-term trader, we just want to hold on to coin. We want to buy coin at, discounted prices. So what's driving all this? Is this just a pit stop before the 70,000 level? Possibly, it could be. There's still a lot of wood to chop. The Bitcoin's got to get through a lot of the negative, not negative vibe, but what happened with the summit. The Bitcoin reserve was 200,000 Bitcoin, 17 billion strong, but the market said, nah. We were looking for you to actually come in here and buy coin, not use confiscated coin to put in the reserve. So it's over $1 trillion been wiped out from the crypto market just recently. But hold on, big players like Goldman Sachs are stacking Bitcoin ETFs, and this is the calm before the storm. You tell me, but we're gonna go over some points that I think are really important. So hang on tight. We're going to get to those points right away. Now let's get over to Ethereum. Man, Ethereum itself, we got a bullish divergence going on. It's feeling the heat. It traded down, to a low of 1,756. We did say that we could get down as low as 1,600 short term before we can get a pop, but we got it was down over about 2.5%. But don't sleep on this beast. We got 1.8 billion in outflows last week, the biggest since 2022. And it's screaming buy the dip. Which we pointed out the other day, the MVRV ratio was actually showing that Ethereum itself is at a historical bottom. Remember 1,600 before the last bull run? X is calling Ethereum Bitcoin at a 5-year low at 0.26. Bitcoin's flexing dominance, but Ethereum is quietly loading up for something big. We've seen this before, and we're going to give some short-term points out at the end of the video for short-term traders. You long-term guys, I know you're just buying coin. I know it. You're buying on the dip. So will it blast past 2,100 or crash down to 1,600? This chart's are screaming, and I'm here for it. Okay, so we've seen this before. This is actually history repeating itself. Markets always repeat themselves. For Ethereum itself, we had a big consolidation level here. Fake out, basically just a quick head fake. And then once the market broke the top, we started a huge bull rally. Are we doing that right now? Have we completed this fake out session? That's really the point that we need to study. And we're going to be talking about that in a second. So let's go over to good old Bitcoin itself. This is an important thing. We have up here the Valero logarithmic regression chart up, and it's basically screaming it's in the buy area. But however, this is a long-term chart. It's a weekly chart. But I'm going to point you to a piece of news that's not out yet. You're going to get it here first on this video. Stable coins and real-world assets are booming despite a shaky crypto market. So utility assets are going to be extremely valued, so don't sleep on them, all right? That's an important point. So where is all this volatility coming from? Well, it's coming from the Trump tariffs. We also have The dollar index really is falling. Now the dollar has recovered a little bit slightly against the yen last evening, but I do believe overall U.S. dollar yen is in a bearish market. The European currencies really haven't recovered that much, and I'm talking about the euro dollar and the British pound. They've been just basically quiet. It's all been in dollar yen. So if you want to watch, the currency markets, you want to be focusing in on dollar yen, because the other, main currencies such as the British pound and the euro dollar are kind of sleeping right now. So we got the Treasury yields, a 450-point S&P drop. It's chaos. But Trump's, reserve isn't just Bitcoin. It's Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano. So the U.S. is going all in on crypto. Exchanges might be playing games, but the bulls are sniffing a rebound. So I have a question for you. Are you buying, you selling, you holding? Drop it in the comments below. Let me know what you're doing. So let's get over to the short-term charts. Let's get over to the Bitcoin chart on the short term. Oh, that's the old Jesse Livermore cylinder. What we got going on in Bitcoin right now is because we had the Trump dump, because they didn't actually go out in the marketplace and buy coin. They were using, just as assets that they had basically seized. So right now, what I'm seeing short term, this is, we need to get above 84,531 to start getting a nice reprieve rally going up. And we got snakes up around 92,000. There's going to be some heavy duty, there will be some selling up here trying to push us down. But what we're trying to accomplish here for the short-term trader, we're trying to accomplish, a little bit of a relief rally where all of a sudden now the marketplace starts to begin making lower highs. Okay, so what we're on the lookout for is a break up, potentially hitting the 92, coming back down and trading in within this range right here. It's going to take a little while, okay? There's a lot of wood to chop. It's not going to be just a straight run, but we have massive support at 68,000 and 72,000. This is where the sharks are hanging out. Are they going to be able to get coin down there? I don't know. I really don't know. But, there's markets always correct in a couple of waves. This could be wave one. We could get a little bit of a rebound rally, and then we could get a spike down, fooling all the retail traders again and pushing them out. So that's what I got going on in Bitcoin for the short term. So if I go on over to Ethereum, aside from that chart, where's my other Ethereum chart? Right here. Okay, what I wanted to point out on this chart, which I think is really cool, I got a Wyckoff setup right here. Now, if you go back in time, and you can do this, this is a daily chart. Just go to the left. Look what happened over here. We had the same exact thing that was occurring over here, where actually we were in a Wyckoff. Actually, river or creek, that is, what you guys want to call it. But where's my little brush? I don't want to do that. Sorry, guys. I lost my brush here. But anyway, we were in this area right here. This is basically this area right here on the chart, and right now we are right here again. So what's occurring right now is it could be a potential spring. This was a classic Wyckoff spring where the marketplace came back down off the top, came back down a little bit, and then jumped up. And once it broke the top, look at the bull run that we had. So are we setting up for a Wyckoff spring right now? Possibly. Okay, so we have this bottom right here. What I would like to see for a Wyckoff spring is actually a little bit dip below, and then a break of this top. So I got a break of 2,076 right now could yield 2,390 in the coin. 2,076 could yield a rally to 2,390, where basically the fireworks start to happen with a potential to get back up to 2,390 resistance. So right now we have short-term resistance, main resistance at 2,950 in the coin, but this is for short-term trading. Overall, this stuff is bullish. So please tell me what you think in the comments. And remember, always, if you're a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.